Hello everyone, I will show you the best WordPress theme for an online store. The clear winner is Divi with WooCommerce, and if you want to try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Divi is not just a theme, it is a complete design system that comes with a powerful visual builder. When combined with WooCommerce, it gives you full control over every part of your online store. Unlike most themes where you are locked into fixed layouts, Divi allows you to design your product pages, shop page, cart, and checkout exactly the way you want. You get dedicated WooCommerce modules that let you customize product grids, titles, prices, images, and add to cart buttons without writing any code. One of the biggest advantages of using Divi is its collection of pre-made layouts. These layouts are built specifically for e-commerce, so you can launch a store quickly and then adjust it to fit your brand. For example, you can use a clothing store layout, a tech shop layout, or a home decor layout and then change the colors, fonts, and images to match your style. This saves time and makes your site look professional right from the start. Divi also lets you add powerful marketing elements directly into your store. You can create custom banners for sales, add countdown timers for limited offers, display featured or related products, and include opt-in forms for email signups. Because all of this happens inside the builder, you can place these elements anywhere on your page, giving you more flexibility to drive sales. Another strength is responsiveness. With Divi, everything is optimized for mobile out of the box. Your store will look clean and easy to use on desktop, tablet, and phone, which is critical for online shopping today. You also have full control over how elements look on each device, so you can tweak the design for the best customer experience. In short, Divi with WooCommerce is the best choice for building an online store because it combines flexibility, professional design, and powerful sales features in one package. You get complete creative control while still keeping the process simple and visual. If you are ready to start building your store with Divi and WooCommerce, don't forget to use the link in the description.